Hey guys, welcome to another video with Mickey's Tea. As you guys can see, I was getting my nails done. It's actually ashy because I showered and I didn't put any lotion on. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and it's my birthday. Good morning. Good morning. So it's actually like 10:34. I was supposed to be out of the house at 9:15. So really it's been a long night and I'm about to go get ready right now. So happy birthday to me. I'm gonna use my muscles today, but I feel like there is like a metal in my mouth. Yeah, I feel like there's like a metal. I think that's probably like where he sewed it or something. But I don't know. There is a metal in my mouth. So never mind that. Let's get ready. Hello, also you guys see Joanna coming through again for me. Joanna coming through. But it's my birthday and I'm excited. I actually don't know what we're going to be doing, but I'm very excited. My boyfriend have this thing all planned out. He's like, don't worry about it, just get ready, I'm coming, da da da. I'm like, okay. But guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot coming up, a lot going on, and I want to welcome you guys. I put a little sugar in there.
Little sugar?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
You don't like sugar?
No. It's too sweet.
I said a little bit, not a lot.
You didn't put a lot because I like sugar and cereal.
Yeah, I put sugar, milk, and then the fruit. And then a little bit of green.
Yeah, and I just feel like, man, we got so many things on my plate, man. It was like, yo. I think you're gonna miss it.
Huh?
You're gonna miss it.
Miss the light? Hold on, babe. If you're gonna miss it, don't go. You gonna use the one to sell it? I continue to dirty my clothes. Babe, look. Okay, remember. Baronne qui bagay nou pou ale la men. I'm sweeping. Okay. Okay, he's coming. I think my boyfriend is up to something. exhausted, dirty, and full. Okay.